Emotional quotient tests, also known as emotional intelligence tests, are crucial in evaluating an individual's ability to recognize, understand, and manage their emotions and those of others. This skill is particularly important for healthcare professionals who work in highly emotional and interpersonal settings. To prepare for an emotional quotient test for a healthcare job, here are some tips to consider. Understand emotional intelligence. Familiarize yourself with the concept of emotional intelligence and its relevance in healthcare. Learn about the different components of emotional intelligence, such as self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, social skills, and motivation. Reflect on your own emotional intelligence. Take time for self-reflection and evaluate your own emotional intelligence. Think about situations where you have managed your emotions effectively, demonstrated empathy, resolved conflicts, or demonstrated good interpersonal skills. Reflecting on your experiences will help you understand your strengths and areas for improvement. Study emotional intelligence concepts. Read books, articles, or online resources that discuss emotional intelligence in the healthcare context. Familiarize yourself with the theories, models, and strategies related to emotional intelligence. This will help you gain a deeper understanding of the topic and its application in healthcare. Practice self-awareness. Emotional intelligence starts with self-awareness. Practice being mindful of your emotions, thoughts, and reactions in various situations. Pay attention to how your emotions influence your behavior and decision-making. Developing self-awareness will help you navigate the emotional quotient test questions more effectively. Stay calm and authentic. During the emotional quotient test, try to remain calm and authentic. Respond honestly and genuinely based on your understanding of emotional intelligence and your own experiences. Avoid overthinking or trying to provide answers that you think the employer wants to hear. Remember, emotional intelligence is a skill that can be developed and improved over time. By understanding the concepts of emotional intelligence, reflecting on your own emotional experiences, and practicing empathy and self-awareness, you can enhance your performance in emotional quotient tests for healthcare jobs. Take online emotional quotient assessments. Seek out online emotional quotient assessments or practice tests to get a sense of the types of questions and scenarios that may be presented. These assessments can provide insights into your current emotional intelligence level and areas for improvement. Enhance empathy and social skills.